Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix an error occurred. If this issue persists, please contact us through our help center OpenAI. So to fix the ChatGPT error, we have to go to our new tab. In this is the error. An error occurred. If this issue persists, please contact us through our help center. So in order to do this, we have to click on Google settings. So now you have to click on privacy and security, click on clear browser data. So you have to click on all time and you have to click clear data. So after this step, check if your Chrome is updated or not. About Chrome, so check if your Chrome is updated or not. So my Chrome is not updated, so Chrome is being updated. So after this step, after updating your Chrome, click on extensions and click manage extension. So unclick remove all the Chrome extensions to fix error. So after removing the extensions, after this install a browser VPN from the Chrome browser and click on start VPN. So change the location in the VPN to the United States. So after these steps, refresh this ChatGPT tab. So now after refreshing my ChatGPT browser, so the error has been solved. So now I will log into my ChatGPT account. So if this step does not fix, so please change your browser to Firefox or Microsoft Edge. So after this step, this error will be solved. So I will now log into my ChatGPT account to show you this is working or not. So this is working. So now I am continuing in my account. So now after these steps, my ChatGPT error has been fixed. So thanks for watching. We will see you next video. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. Bye.